Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Central Carolina WX YouTube video. Today, we're going to be doing another unboxing. As long as I didn't get scammed, this should be my first RadioShack radio. So, let's just get straight into it. Now, apologies if I sound really close to my phone. And also, I have this weird talent where I can tear open packages without needing a knife. I'm currently sitting in a Discord call, so if anybody chooses to join. Okay, plenty of bubble wrap. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, this must be the antenna. This is literally just a unit and antenna. Okay, so this must be the actual radio. Let's open it up. Yep, you can see it. That is a lot of bubble wrap. And here it is. A RadioShack PRO-136. Let me point the camera straight down. And as a tradition, to wish it good luck, press every single button. These kind of just feel like WR100 buttons. Okay, so this did not come with a power adapter. Good thing I have my own. Now, I'm going to pause the video here, or I'm going to just cut to when I actually am ready to plug it in, because I gotta set up my plug and everything. So, give me a minute, everyone. Okay, everyone, so I'm now ready to plug in the scanner, but before we continue, some people have decided to join the VC. First, we have JCLT, who is currently muted while he's setting up his microphone, and we have... Sir, you need to introduce yourself.
Hello, it's me, the guy. I think you might know me from the... What's it called again? The YouTube channel called the guy Max22F. Hello.
Okay. Alright, let me put the camera back in, or my phone back in my tripod, because it's not an actual camera. Okay. What in the world?
Sorry, that's my voice not acting up again.
Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let me get a better angle. That speaker is either really weird or really effed up. Hang on, let me take my phone off the tripod. Is there a backlight? Oh wait, it doesn't have an antenna. Whoops. I better plug that antenna in. Oh.
Yesterday's high temperature was 50 degrees. This high was 4 degrees below the normal high of 54.
Okay, now word on the street is that you can siren test this by holding the priority button. So let's go ahead and do that. 3, 2, 1. It's just a BC370 that you can siren test. That's actually crazy. Anyways, it would be nice if there was a... There is a backlight. Whoops. Wait, can you hold it on? Yes, you can. Anyways, this is clearly going to need a lot of setting up, and also it's almost time for the weekly test, so this is not the end of the video unless I say in post. I'm just going to get everything set up on this and keep you guys updated. By the way, someone wants to say hi real quick.
Hello, hello.
You know,
ACLTWXES.
you know this guy. We done a little collab before in Weather Service Mayhem Part 3. Anyways, I will keep you guys updated as I said before. Hello everyone, so the last clip you saw was recorded on February 4th. It is now February 5th, and there's now laundry that needs to be done. But, anyways, I have pretty much set this up.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, station WXL58, operating on frequency 162.55 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on the UNCTV tower near Chapel Hill. The station serves the northeast Piedmont of North Carolina.
Perfectly timed station ID. Oh, one more thing I want to show you. Give me a second. Okay. Sorry about that. I just had to rig something up. So, let's just say I have a unique setup for this. So, y'all saw how I siren tested it before with on the normal radio speaker. You have not heard bass from a weather radio siren until you hear this.
Winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
That is a good siren when you have a speaker plugged in. Anyways, so this will be the end of the video. I got most of the stuff figured out on it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Also, I am not going away from weather radio content. I'm just trying my hand at Vocaloid producing. That's why there's Carolina P in my channel name. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.